afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2014 government past question. Question number 31 says the main function of the Federal Character Commission in Nigeria is dash. The main function of the Federal Character Commission is dash. When we talk of Federal Character Commission, we mean federal federal government body charged with the responsibility of equal sharing of national cake. So option A say ensuring fair representation of all states in the public service. B, reviewing unfair administrative decisions. C, setting dispute among societies. D, providing free social services to the citizens. So the main function of the Federal Character Commission is fair representation of all states in public office, and that's why I say here it is charged with responsibility of equal sharing. So option A is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.